KGMI News Talk 790 and KGMI.com. I'm your host for Community Connection, Bill Davis, welcoming back to the microphones. Good friend of mine. It's always nice to see Ziad Youssef, mytrafficman.net. How are you, my friend?
Bill, I'm doing great. Yeah, it was.
So you're reevaluating everything now.
Just
right?
kind of taking a look at everything from a more long-term committed perspective. You know, Bill, this is election season and people are all having to make a choice.
Oh, sure. They're trying to make choices between crazy left and crazy right.
It is so
right?
crazy. You have choices to make that are best for you. And I'm trying to set up our legal care center of Whatcom County so that people understand that we are not just a group of lawyers. We're community leaders in legal care. That's legal care in DUI, criminal defense, and auto injury claims.
We're kind of scared of lawyers, you know?
You know what? The image of us are sharks and wolves, and we just chew you up, spit you out. You have no idea how you got there. You have no idea how you get out.
Yeah.
And most people's experience, especially in the criminal justice system, is so horrific. They're so intimidated to get out there and get the legal care that they need. So an important thing in community leadership for me is that people understand the difference between handouts and a hand up.
Yeah.
And we're there to give you a hand up. But if you don't bring accountability as a very valuable resource to solving your own problem, if you don't bring that to the table, we're not going to be able to solve your problem.
Also, it sounds like kind of a tag team group effort.
It is.
Me as a client has to help you.
Thank you, Bill. That's a peer-to-peer relationship. Yeah. Sure, we're the big fancy lawyers, but at the same time, we have a responsibility to engage in this relationship on a peer-to-peer level where you're bringing very important resources to the table, not just your money. Your accountability is probably more valuable to getting your resolution that you want, that you desire in your case.
I do like the idea of us as a client, you know, taking responsibility. You have to have facts. You have to have we just can't come to you and say, hey, I'm going to scratch you a check.
Right.
And I want you to take care of everything.
You're not at a grocery store buying milk. Here's $2.50. Give me my 2% milk.
This doesn't work that way.
You're actually building your solution. And building that means first, you turn it into a manageable step-by-step process so that clients can feel empowered and engaged in their own well-being.
Well, we have about 30 seconds left. I hope we can continue with part 2 on this
I look forward
on a later
to it.
interview. If they need your services at mytrafficman.net or legal care, why don't we send them telephone numbers, websites, things like that?
You can look us up online at mytrafficman.net. Or you can call us at 360-734-0908.
It's Ziad Youssef, mytrafficman.net. We'll continue with Community Connection in a minute or so on KGMI News Talk 790 and KGMI.com.